When you try to install the share printer on the client PC, you got this error. Let's solve this error in a very easy way. My step is so simple, you may think it won't work. It takes me 2 years to find this simple technique. Go to the server PC and open control panel and click on view network status and tasks, then click on sense advanced sharing setting, and in the private network, allow network discovery on, file and printer sharing on. In the public network also, network discovery, file and printer sharing, and in all network, allow public folder sharing, password protect sharing on. After this, open the command prompt and type echo percentage username percentage, then hit enter. Then note this username, that is Imphal Hospital. After this, create a new password for this server. If already created a password, then don't create and restart the server. On the client PC, type window and type credential and select credential manager and click on Windows credential, then click on add a Windows credential. Then in the network address, type the IP address of the server, and in the username, type the username which was displayed on the command prompt. Then type the password of the server, then click on OK and restart the client PC. Then you can install the share printer on this client PC. Now let's install the share printer. So it is successful.